Welcome to All-Rounder Kids. Programming concepts for kids. Sequence, order. What it means. Doing steps in the right order. Example. Brush teeth. Put on pajamas. Go to bed. If you mix the order, it won't work. Loops, repeating. What it means. Doing something again and again. Example, clap your hands 5 times. Instead of saying clap 5 times, the computer uses a loop. Conditionals. If. Then. What it means. Making decisions. Example. If it's raining, take an umbrella. If it's sunny, wear sunglasses. Variables, storing information. What it means. A place to keep information. Example. A box named score that holds your game points. Algorithms, instructions. What it means, a list of steps to finish a task. Example. A recipe for making a sandwich is an algorithm. Bugs, mistakes. What it means. Errors in the program. Example. If a game doesn't work right, there's probably a bug. Fixing bugs is called debugging. Events, things that happen. What it means. Something happens when you do an action. Example. Click a button, music plays. Press a key, character jumps. Functions, reusable actions. What it means, a set of steps you can use again and again. Example. A jump button in a game does the same thing every time. Kid-friendly programming tools. Great for learning these concepts. Scratch, drag and drop blocks. Blockly. Code.org. Tinker. Logic, thinking smart. What it means. Thinking step by step to solve a problem, example, to cross the road. Look left. Look right. Road is clear, cross. Computers also think like this. Input and output. What it means. Input is what we give the computer. Output is what the computer shows us. Example. Press a key, then character jumps. Type 2 plus 3, then computer shows 5. Memory. What it means. The computer remembers things. Example. Remembering. Your name. Your score. Your level in a game. Directions. What it means. Telling the computer where to go. Example. Move left. Move right. Move up. Used in games and robots. Design and creativity. What it means. Coding is also art. Example. Choose colors. Draw characters. Make stories and animations. Testing. What it means. Checking if the program works correctly. Example. Try the game, does it work? If not, fix it. Try again, iteration. What it means. Improve little by little. Example. First drawing, then better drawing, then best drawing. Programs improve the same way. Teamwork. What it means. Coding together. Example. One child designs. One child codes. One child tests. Offline games, no computer. Give robot instructions to walk. Clap loops. If-then games. Online games. Scratch stories. Minecraft coding. Pattern recognition. What it means. Finding what repeats. Example. The pattern is red, blue, red, blue. Computers love patterns. Breaking big problems into small parts. What it means. Big tasks become easy when broken into steps. Example, clean your room. Pick toys. Arrange books. Fold clothes. Sorting. What it means. Putting things in order. Example. Small to big numbers. Toys by color or size. Computers sort data too. Mapping. What it means, matching one thing with another. Example: animal, sound, bark, number, word, three. States, modes. What it means, different situations. Example: a traffic light, red stop, yellow ready, green go. Games use states a lot. Rules. What it means, programs follow rules strictly. Example: if you touch fire, get hurt. If score equals 10, you win. Characters, sprites. What it means, objects in a program. Example: cat in Scratch, player in a game. Each character has actions. Restart/reset. What it means, start again. Example: game over, restart. Clear drawing, draw again. Collections, lists. What it means, a group of things together. Example: list of toys, list of friends' names. Computers use lists all the time. Thinking like a computer. What it means, be clear and exact. Example: go there. Move 5 steps forward and turn left. Cause and effect. What it means, one thing makes another thing happen. Example: push a switch, light turns on. Click a button, sound plays. Thank you for watching. Hope you had lots of fun and learning. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.